Welcome back. You're still with us here on Editors Roundtable. Now, we've been talking about all kinds of sectors. One specific sector, very India-focused, local-focused sector, is the wire and cable sector. Right? You think how large can companies be? But guess what? Companies like Havells and Polycab, as Nimesh is going to tell us, have not just done the best within their sector here in India, but are now some of the largest companies by market capitalization, market values in the world. Nimesh, that is eye-opening.
So, guess what? Havells is the second highest market cap company in the world. Polycab is the third largest market cap company in the world. So Indian companies have now actually taken pole positions as far as this particular space, the cable and wire space is concerned. Again, we've seen a big rally in both these companies. And I was just looking at the top 7 companies globally in the cable and wire space. The first name there is a company called Prism Group that owns a market cap of $18 billion. It's a combination of they themselves having $15 billion and they've acquired a company which is worth $3 billion. So that's the first company which is having a market cap of $18 billion. Havells, as I said, is commanding a market cap now of $14 billion. Polycab at $12 billion. There is a company called Nexans which has a market cap of $5 billion. And there is a US-based company which is having a market cap of $4 billion. There is one private company called Southwire that commands a market cap of close to $9 billion, but it's a private company. Now, as I said, they've done really well in terms of stock price. But even if you look at the earnings for the last 5 years for these cable and wire companies, everyone has grown at least in double digits as far as the revenue CAGR is concerned. I'm talking about 18% revenue CAGR for a company like Polycab. Havells has grown at a 14% revenue CAGR over the last 5 years. But what is more interesting is the PAT growth. The PAT CAGR for someone like in Havells is 10%, but for Polycab, the PAT CAGR has been 29%. So every company in that space has done really well, both in terms of revenue as well as PAT as well. So it's been a dream run for all the companies, but it was an eye-opener for me as well that the 2 Indian companies now are among the top 3 in terms of world's largest market cap companies. So that's the data for you in terms of cable and wire companies. Ravi,